Welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a look at the EZVIZ CB3, which is a security camera with a built-in battery, wireless, and with the possibility to be used with this solar panel right over here, which will give us 24/7 energy, so we don't need to worry about having a socket anywhere on our house. We can just put it anywhere that we want, as long as we have sun energy. This is a kit that I will leave a link down below so that you can check out prices, specifications and whatnot. But we can just purchase the camera if that's what we want, or we can just purchase the panel if that's what we need. The camera itself has a built-in battery of 5200 milliamps, which will last up to 120 days. So if even we don't have a solar panel, and if we don't mind charging from 120 and 120, then we will be just fine. Or if we have a source of power that we can plug in a USB cable, then we will not need the solar panel. This is just awesome because it will give us the freedom to have it anywhere. Now, inside the package of the camera, we will find the EZVIZ CB3, a USB cable to micro USB for charging, some screws and a manual. In case we decide to go with the solar panel, we will have inside the package the panel, also a arm stand so that we can put in on any surface, some screws and a manual. Now, the solar panel will charge a maximum of 18 watts, which is quite a lot. It would be able to charge any mobile phone, by the way. And just so that you have an idea, the camera during the night, on a period of 8 to 9 hours where we don't have sun, it will discharge about 1%. And then during the day it will charge that 1%. It will have a lot of surplus energy that we could use for something else. The camera itself, it's well built, waterproof, and it supports micro SD cards up to 256 gigs. It has two LED lights that will help night vision on the area of the camera, besides the infrared that it has and motion detection. In terms of the installation, it's as easy as it gets. We just need to decide where we want without any limitations in terms of power, drill a couple of holes and install this small arm right over here, and then just point the camera to where we want. If we have the solar panel, then the installation is as easy as well. We just need to decide where we want to put the solar panel. The cable is actually quite long. I didn't need that much cable, but that was it. Just put it next to the camera and bam, we will have 24/7 energy production for our camera. Now, setting it up is as easy as any other EZVIZ device that we have seen, and we have seen quite a few. I will leave some links right over here. We just need to download the app if we haven't already, and then just follow along the steps that we will see. I would say that 2 to 3 minutes maximum, we will have the camera working on our phone, and we will be able to start using it without any issues whatsoever. Now, I was aware recently that EZVIZ also has an app for our computer. So if we want to have the access on our Windows computer, we will be able. We just need to download the app, install it and configure with our username and password, and that is it. We will have images from our cameras on our computer. There is also on the download section a version for Android TV, which looks interesting. The camera will record up to 1080 resolution on the micro SD card or on the cloud if we get the service, which we will see in just a few moments. In terms of the video codec, it uses H.265, which will create smaller files, so a micro SD card will take a lot of files. The image quality is great. During the day is just awesome because we have a lot of light passing through the lenses, but during the evening it's also quite good, as we can see right over there. Now, just have in mind that the video is recorded at 1080, but this video that you are watching is 4K, so the image is stretching out and we will lose some quality. Nonetheless, I do believe that this image is just as an example, because in reality we will use the footage that we see on our phone, and right over there the image quality is just awesome. It has audio in both ways, so if there's someone here on this side of the camera, I can just push my app and talk to